Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 62 points, that is 0.08%, and settled at 80,049 points. Nifty 50 is up by 15 points, that is 0.06%, and settled at 24,302 points. Bank Nifty is up by 14 points, that is 0.03%, and settled at 53,103 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 325 points, that is 0.58%, and settled at 56,618 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 92 points, that is 0.49%, and settled at 18,792 points. Optimus Unmanned Systems, a subsidiary of homegrown telecommunications and electronics manufacturing company Optimus Infracom Limited, said on Thursday that it will invest 140 crore rupees and offer a pioneering model of drone as a service for the agriculture sector with a fleet of 5,000 drones by the end of 2025. The company has launched its range of drones in the agricultural and mapping category, which will be powered by components designed and manufactured in India. The company also said that it will train around 6,000 pilots to manage a fleet of 5,000 drones by the end of 2025, adding that it is targeting a service revenue of around 600 crore rupees to 900 crore rupees by next year's end. With this positive news, stock surged up to 15% in today's session. Dredging Corporation of India Limited is proud to announce that it has been awarded the annual maintenance dredging contract by the Cochin Port Authority. The contract, valued at 156.50 crores rupees for the year 2024-25 with a provision to extend for another year. This reinforces DCIL's leadership in the dredging sector and its commitment to supporting India's maritime infrastructure. Pitti Engineering likely to launch 300 crore QIP next week. Indicative price for Pitti ENGG QIP at 1,000 rupee per share, 14% discount to current market price. Shares of dermatological solutions provider Kaya were locked in the 10% upper circuit after the announcement of a collaboration with Marico. The FMCG major will exclusively handle sales and marketing of Kaya's 75+ efficacious science-based personal care products outside of Kaya's clinics. The collaboration will leverage the established expertise and capabilities of both companies and unlock the untapped growth potential of the brand by enhancing its presence and accessibility across markets and channels, the company informed in a regulatory filing. National Stock Exchange on Thursday announced to introduce an overall capping of 90% on the opening price or equilibrium price discovered during a special pre-open session for initial public offer on the NSE Emerge platform of the exchange. In easier terms, it means that the listing price of a debutant stock on NSE Emerge platform cannot be listed at a premium more than 90% over its issue price, at least on the listing, but the price may move higher eventually. Aimed to curb the volatility in the SME issues, the move comes into effect from immediate effect with this circular. Market participants have welcomed the move by the leading Mumbai-based bourse and said that the move will limit the scope of speculation in the SME space. Capital market regulator SEBI has been skeptical of froth in the SME space time and again, and SEBI chief Madhvi Puri Bach has been highlighting the same. The board of Lloyds Metals and Energy at its meeting held on 4th July 2024 has decided to issue and allot 4 crore convertible warrants of the company on a preferential basis to promoters and other investors being non-promoters of the company towards raising of additional capital by the company. The company will issue these convertible warrants at an issue price of 740 rupees each, aggregating to 2,960 crore rupees. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. Shares of Inox Wind ended 10% higher on Thursday after the firm said it would utilize the 900 crore rupees funds infused by its promoter Inox Wind Energy Limited to completely pare down its external term debt, achieving a net debt-free status. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.